Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. I want to talk to you today about can lighting in a 1969 or early 70s home. This has got a flat roof. It's probably about 20-degree pitch, maybe 30 at the max. They've never had can lights inside there in the living room, so I want to show you what that took. So there's no attic accessibility, as you can see. First thing you want to be attentive to is you're not going to know this until you drill your first hole, but the depth all the way up to that ceiling, it's 9.5 to the bottom, and this can is at 7.5, so there's 2 inches to spare. But as you can see, they actually had an acoustic ceiling from the 70s, and then somebody came back 10 years ago because they told me they did their kitchen 10 years ago, and they put drywall up right up on top of that and mudded it and screwed into it. But if you know anything about these acoustic ceilings,